Okay, here we go. Here's a rendering of our 1958 Chevrolet Brookwood station wagon, and the photograph has been retouched for paint the way we're going to expect it to look when we're finished with it. I bought this car in 2009 because it had a 348. I was very interested in getting that running. The 348 is the first year in 1958 for the Chevrolet Big Block, and the 348 is what eventually turned into the 409 in the early 60s. That car first got here in 2009. Here she is sitting at the top of our driveway, and we did a walk around, did a few pictures. Then we put her in our what was in our big carport, still is our big garage rather, up on a purple quick lift. You'll see here we did a lot of the initial work tearing down of this car on that lift, took the doors off of it, etc. Then I sort of lost motivation because my first wife had recently passed, and I just couldn't bring myself to stay in the garage, and kind of let it sit. And we sold it to some folks, some friends of ours, and he parked it in his garage. Unfortunately, he passed away about 2 years after he bought it, and in 2026 we were contacted by his brother, said that his wife, the widow, was interested in selling the car. So we came back, bought the car back, and here it is leaving their property as we're bringing it back home to South Charleston. Kind of an interesting saga, at least to me. Here she is under the carport where she's going to be worked on. Backed in up there, got the doors back on it, etc. And then trying to make decisions on what we're going to do. Here we see a picture of a wheel that we powder coated, trying to come up with a color scheme, whether you use center caps or the full cap, and center caps and beauty rings. You can see here is the actual lusty red paint. Vanilla Shake is the other color, and then we've got it with the powder coated wheels with center cap and full cap on it. So we're still making those decisions, and we have a little time to do it. Here's the dash. The original car was a two-tone green. There is the 2-speed Power Glide transmission setup. We're putting in a 5.3 LS. Here's the dash disassembled. We're going to put in a digital dash, Dakota Digital setup for this car. We put in new floor pans. We did some panel bond and welded and seam sealed it. We're going to use the Honda Ridgeline interior console seats, etc. we bought from a wrecked 2020 Ridgeline. We took the original drum brakes off of the front, replacing them with power disc brakes. Put airbags on in place of the coil springs. Did a shock relocation on this setup, and that was interesting saga. Spindles for 58 are different from 59 to 64, but there we go, and there's the disc brake setup. Here she's on a black quick lift. It's the second one. I sold the purple one, and then I needed another one. As always, we appreciate any comment. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.